Say hello to powerful performance and smart savings with the refurbished KNF diaphragm pump N035AN.18, available now from Galileo Scientific. This compact, oil-free pump makes transferring gases and vapors a breeze. It's perfect for handling slightly aggressive or corrosive gases safely and efficiently. With a delivery capacity of 15 litres per minute and an ultimate vacuum of 100 mbar, it's ideal for everyday lab applications needing reliable gas flow or vacuum generation. Worried about leaks? Don't be. This pump is hermetically sealed with an impressively low leakage rate, helping you maintain sample integrity and protect your lab environment. It's maintenance-free, environmentally friendly, and compatible with 6mm tubing, making it a plug-and-play solution for any lab setup. Operating up to 4 bar pressure and running at just 100 watts, it combines high performance with energy efficiency. And here's the best part. Every unit has been professionally reviewed, reconditioned, and serviced by the experts at Galileo Scientific. You get top-tier performance at a fraction of the cost, without compromising on quality or reliability. Boost your lab operations with the KNF N035AN.18, smart, sustainable, ready to work.